Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video. So, you guys, I am back with another trending story which happened about 4 days ago, and this time it is reported by the Daily Sun, and they alleged that ZCC Bishop Barnabas Lekganyane is embroiled in a paternity dispute with a man who claims that the bishop is his biological father. The article is reads as follows, and it says the Daily Sun can exclusively reveals that Lekganyane underwent DNA testing with Michael Serepo, and the result allegedly proved that the internationally revered man of cloth is not his dad. However, Serepo, who also refers to himself as Shiro Lekganyane, did not accept the test result, demanding that they should be done at a credible institution. Now, his demands suggested that the result could have been tampered with to manipulate the outcome, the Daily Sun wrote. The startling tidbits are contained in papers filed on 9 December 2025 by the ZCC and Lekganyane in the Pretoria High Court, where they sought an order declaring that Serepo, his church, and the Zion Creationist Church, and his right-handed man Vladimir Bertano Mukonyane, commonly known as Koni Koni on TikTok, be arrested for contempt of court. This after they allegedly ignored the court order to refrain from wearing a uniform similar to the Maria-based church, claiming that they were members of Africa's biggest church. He does not tell the public and members of his church when he applied for the change of his name from Michael Kgotso Serepo to Maditobane Barnabas. Lekganyane falsely claimed that his biological father was Isaiah Lekganyane. He admitted for the first time before Honorable Judge Bongwe said Isaiah Lekganyane was not his biological father, said Lekganyane. Furthermore, Lekganyane said Serepo does not tell members of his church and the public that he took him for the paternity test to disprove his false claims that he was his biological dad. He continuously makes public statement that he is prepared to submit DNA testing through an accredited laboratory. He has been singing the song since 2024 after he was served with the applicant's interdict application. However, at no stage did he challenge the accuracy of the DNA test from Lancet Laboratory that disproved his connection to the Lekganyane family. And to the second applicant, he stated, Lekganyane also said Serepo admitted in one of the court hearings on 11th November last year that his two brothers are the biological kids of Isaiah Lekganyane, whom he falsely claimed was his biological father. Lekganyane added that Serepo had insulted him publicly by referring to him and his church as witches and liars. Lekganyane also said that Serepo claims he is connected to the Lekganyane family to advance his own interests. He uses the names of the Lekganyane family and claims his association with them with the malicious intent of advancing his personal interest, he said. Serepo's legal representatives Nakedi Malahlela of Mahlale attorneys confirmed the application by Lekganyane and his church was dismissed. We expect them to appeal the verdict, he said. He also confirmed that Serepo did not accept the outcome of the Lancet DNA results. He said the test must be sanctioned by a court of law. When they are done, they must be publicly and the media must be invited, he said. And that article, of course, was written by the Daily Sun. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, do make sure that you do share it, and also subscribe if you haven't yet done so, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord continue to bless you all. Bye.